Hello everyone. Yeah, in this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to measure roof trusses. I mean steel roof. So this is the 3D, this is the 3D, and this is the roof plan. So first of all, I'm going to explain. I'm going to interpret the drawing to us so that we're able to understand the roof itself. So let's get started. So now, this is the roof plan. We have different type of roof trusses here. Different type. We have type 1, type 4, type 2, and others. We have type 3. So now, next page, we have type 1. And we have two numbers of type 1. Let's check it out. So this is type 1 and this is type 1. We have two numbers. I want you to take something into consideration. When you're measuring to the roof, you have roof plan, also have the section. Mind you, which you also know, that when you are viewing a roof from the top as bed view, the dimension you're going to take from the roof plan will be different, it will be lesser, it will be low to the section. I mean, when the roof stand, when the construction has been done. So we have, what do we have? We have for the type 1, we have 18.19 here. So for this section, we have 18.832. So now, for the interpreting of the drawing that I said. So now, good. Let us start with. I'm going to start. Okay. We have Gussets. We have base plate. Sorry, we have base plate. This base plate is being positioned on the roof beam, like it is fixed on the roof beam. On the roof beam, is it connected to the hold down bolt that is inserted to the roof beam? After placing the base plate, then there'll be a knot that we use to tie it down on the roof beam. So we have F1 018 FL 250 blah 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 tick MS base plate. Good. So I'm still going to show you some pictures during the fabrication and installation. Just hold on. I want to interpret this drawing first. So this one is um universal beam, UB universal beam, to receive truss type 3 at both flanges. What do you mean by flanges? I will explain that one on picture. But let me show you. Let me show you. Confirming. This is the web. The inner part of the beam is the web, and the external part at both sides is the flange. That's what I mean by flange. So that means what this drawing is saying is that this 245,146,31 kg per meter to receive truss type 3 at both flanges. Let me show you truss type 3. This is truss type 3. I'm coming. Okay, you have four numbers of truss type 3. You have this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means the beam that I show you, the vessel beam that I show you in the picture, to be positioned here. So there you have flange here, the flange here, and this is the web, and flange here, flange here. According to the drawing, this is what we want to measure for now. Truss type 1. So the truss type 1 will be fixed inside the web. You understand? Then truss type 3, what is it called? Yeah, 3 will be fixed, will be attached to the flange of the universal beam with bolts and nuts. Good. Then what else? 2 by 100 by 100 by 10 connected back to back, top and bottom chord, top or bottom chord. So let me explain this one. Let me see the call out. Okay, good. This is what being called out back to back. I want to explain the back to back to you guys. So this is what we mean by back to back. Let me first show you this one. You have fabricated the one side, you also fabricate the other side. So these two trusses, after the fabrication, is being uh, placed back to back. Like this one is placed on top of this one. That is what we mean by back to back. So for the one that is being called out that I explained last time is here at the top. Let me show you. So this is what we mean by back to back. So it is being lapped, it's being positioned at both ends. You understand me? One, two. So this is what is being called out that I show you. Let me show you. This area, top, the top chord, according to the top or bottom chord. This is the top chord. You understand me? This is the top chord. Here, straight down is the top chord. This one too is the top chord. It's back to back. Then next one, just check this one out. This one out. 50 by 50 connected back to back again. So the diagonal, vertical or diagonal chord. This one, let me show you guys. This is the one diagonal. This is the diagonal. Let me check down. Okay, good. This is diagonal. You understand me? But this is another truss type of truss type, maybe one or two. It's not truss type one. You're just trying to explain the diagonal chord. Diagonal chord, right? Yes. So you are done with this one. Then what else? Online. Okay. 150 by 50 by 20 by 2 mm Z or 9 connected with 5 mm thick folded plates as cleats. The line. I don't know, maybe I have the picture here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, it's not how it is. Okay. I don't have it mistake. Okay, let me just explain where the line will position. Let me first check the roof plan. Okay, this is the pole line. You understand me? This vertical and horizontal are the pole line. You understand me? It will be positioned according to this. He said connected Z09 connected with 5 mm thick folded plates as cleats. Let me show you in the picture. This is the cleat. This is the cleat. This is the cleat. This is the cleat. This cleat is being fixed, is being attached on the top cord that I showed you that time. This is the top cord. The cleat is being positioned on it so that the Z9 will be attached, will be screwed. You understand me? Be attached to this cleat, but the polar has not been fixed yet. I don't have the picture on my laptop for now. So this is the diagonal cord that I explained that time. You understand me? So what else? This is the gusset plates, 8 mm thick ms gusset plates. Let me show you guys. This is what I mean by gusset plates. The gusset plate is being positioned fixed in between the back to back cord. Let me show you when during the fabrication. During the fabrication. This is the gusset plate. The function of the gusset plate help to hold the vertical and diagonal cord and the top and bottom cord so that everything will firm, it will stand firm together. You understand me? So we have two gusset plates as the first side and second side. We now attach it together. I'm coming. I want to show something when in lab. Okay. What we did then, I could remember, is that we have only one uh gusset gusset plate. Only one gusset plate I could remember, yes. Because let me check this drawing. It's only one. It's not back to back. You understand? It's not back to back because I'm not giving it that it's back to back. It's only one quoted plate. What we did then during the fabrication is that was that when we are done with this, you understand me, with this single phase, then we now chase it out by uh uh by forming another template on it. You understand me? By forming another template on it. That is what we did during the fabrication. I could remember. Yeah. So it's not back to back. This Gusset plate is not back to back, but this diagonal, vertical, and top and bottom are back to back. At least you can also see it here. You can check it out here. You have only single Gusset plates. That's one by the way. So what else? What else? This is the universal beam here. This is universal beam. You see, you have all the side. What is the okay? I'm not giving 245. Okay, no one. Okay, 245 by 146 by 31 kg. Good. So now this is it. This is the universal beam. So now can we get started? I mean, can we keep moving? Okay, good. To measure, let us start with the what is it called? The top. Yeah, let's start with the top chord. Just click on this. I've already created this template. We are using linear method and linear tools. So just type the size of the, as you can see, you have 2 by 100 by 100 by 8 mm. So just type still, just type roof uh roof truss. Okay, roof trusses. So I use steel roof trusses. Okay, let me use steel roof trusses. Steel roof trusses. Steel roof. Let me use steel roof truss. Then just type 2 by 100 by 100 um, by 8 mm. You understand me? So that is back to back. The two means back to back. That will be how many side? Two. You have two numbers. Yes, two numbers of type one. You have two numbers of type one. Okay. Yeah. Click on OK. Make sure that your record mode is at point to point. Just pick it from the middle of the web because the type one is being positioned, is being fixed at the web. Yes, web of the universal beam. Pick it from this end and just drop it here. Here. Click on escape. You are done with that. So what else? The bottom. What else? It means the bottom. Just double click on this control C. The bottom. Yeah. Out of the bottom. I want to check if we are giving the size of the bottom. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I got it. So this chord is the same size top for the top and the bottom. You understand me? Because you are giving already top or bottom. You understand me? To use for the top and the bottom. Yeah. Okay. Top or bottom, seems applicable to this one, vertical or diagonal. Vertical, just places. That means you are going to use the same size for the diagonal and vertical. Since it's applicable to this, the vertical, I mean for the top and the bottom. So now what I'm going to do now is that just click on this, click on N for continuation to proceed. Just click on this, fade out, fade it out. And yeah, click on escape. So you're done with that. Mind you, okay, let me show you picture again. This top and bottom doesn't we don't have it here at the web. It's not there. So let me check another drawing. Maybe I can show you. Okay, good, good. This is what I'm saying. This 100 by what? 100 by 100. Yeah, this 100 by 100 at the top and bottom. And you see that they are the same. 100 by 100, they are the same. So there is no any 100 by 100 that attached to the universal beam. Okay, thank God that I have the picture here. So now what else? We are done with the top and bottom chord. The main vertical and diagonal chord. That is 50 by 50. Good. Just click on this. Just paste it and just change this one to what? 50 by 50. Then what? By 6 mm. Yeah, good. Same thing, both side, back to back, two numbers. Type 1, you have two numbers. Okay, I'm right. Type 1 is two numbers. So now, what I'm going to do now is just pick it from this end. Yeah, stop here, come again, stop here, come again, stop here. Oh, sorry. I'm very sorry. I could remember doing the fabrication. Even apart from doing the fabrication, okay, it stopped at this end. It stopped at the side of the gusset plate. Let me show you guys. Click on escape. Let me show you guys based on fabrication. Let me check. Okay, according to what I said earlier, I said something that we have only one um gusset plate here. If you can you see that we have only one gusset plate here? This is one gusset plate. This one gusset plate. Yeah, good. Because yes, this one is two. Yeah, I could remember. This one is two. The reason why this one is two is that let me explain. We want to use this one as a template. I want to use this one as a template. So when we are done with the second one that you are fabricating on it, we just remove it and drop it one at one side. So we now fabricate another one on it to form one unit of the type for the type 1 or type 2. You understand me? What we are doing now, this is two gusset plates. We want to use this one at the bottom as a template. So we now form another one. That is why you are seeing two gusset plates here. You understand me? So what I'm trying to explain that time, I don't even remember. Is it not gusset plates? Okay. Yeah, I'm talking about the vertical and horizontal chord. So let me check vertical and horizontal chord. At least this one is okay for us. You can see clearly. So the gusset plate starts from here, somewhere it starts on top. I mean, by the side of the gusset plate and also terminate at the side of the gusset plate. Same time cable to vertical. Not that the gusset plate, not that the vertical and diagonal chord starts from the top and bottom. Top and bottom start from the top chord and terminate at the top chord. So this gusset plate help to hold the um vertical and horizontal and vertical and diagonal chord. You understand? That's another function of the gusset plate. It helps to hold the vertical and diagonal chord. You understand? So when you want to take the measurement, just make sure that it start from here and stop here. Doesn't extend to this point and extend to this point. Hope you get my point. So now just continue this one. Oh, I've deleted it. Let me check. Oh, let me check. I've deleted it. Okay, it's there. Okay. Click on N to proceed. You now click on this again. So terminate here. terminate here. Click on N because it starts from here. You stop here. Click on N again to proceed. Do you know the reason why we are seeing this red line is that, let me tell you the reason why you are seeing this red line. The red line means during the fabrication, the red line means the edge, the side of this diagonal chord must be aligned with this. For example, if you have positioned this vertical uh chord, just make sure that you transfer the line from this point to this point during fabrication. So once you point it out here, then when you want to do the diagonal, just what I'm going to do now is that just point out, make sure that this point link up with this one, so that you're able to position this diagonal, you're able to position this diagonal chord. That is the function of this red line. It's for the design. So now, but if you want to fabricate it, just make sure that at least you can see the shape of the diagonal chord. That means the diagonal chord will be positioned on the gusset plate. So now, let's keep moving. You stop here. Let's proceed. Stop here. Pick it from here again. Stop here. So that's what I'm going to do it all through. I'm going to take measurement of two trusses in order not to waste our time. You understand? So, and after that, I will also measure for this roof covering. Yeah, and there's something I want to show you how to recommend app. There's the app that I want to recommend for you guys. The app will enable you to determine the angle, determine the roof pitch. Yeah, enable you to determine the roof pitch. Yeah, so it will make your work faster. In case if even if it is roof trusses for steel or wooden, if the architect didn't give you this roof pitch, at least with this calculator, with this app, you'll be able to determine the roof pitch. Once the architect has given you the riser, I mean the king post, he has given you the riser. So with this app, you're able to determine the roof pitch. That is what I use to determine the roof pitch, the pitch of this roof here. So, just be patient. I won't take much of our time. And don't be annoyed that my tutorial always takes up to an hour or more than an hour. I just like to break some things down and to get some measurement. Not that I'll just go straight to the point. Like, okay, measure this, measure that. You understand? Okay. Yeah. This, this, according to what we are seeing here, what we are seeing here, we are not given, at least you can see that this member, this one is thicker. I mean, it's wider than this. So let me escape it. I'm coming. This one is wider than this. I think we use 100 by 80 for this one because with the drawing, we are not. This one is not is what it is not called out. I mean, it is not shown on the drawing the size of this angle bar. So let us check the. I want to check something here. If you can get it, it seems that we use 100 by 100. We use 100 by 100, or we maintain the system 50 by 50. Yes, we maintain 50 by 50. We didn't use, it's only this side, yes, I could remember. This edge, we use 100 by, let me check another one. We use 100 by, yes. It's also here, yes. We use 100 by 100 here. But others, we use 50 by 50. Let me check another. I think, yes. We use 100 by 100. Yeah, that's what we did. I think this is sample of type 1. this is sample, and this is sample of type 1 or something like that. So we use 100 by 100 here. At least you can see this one, this flange of this one is also the same as this. We use 100 by 100 for this side. So we use 100 by 100 for this one, this vertical one. You understand? We use 100 by 100 for this one. But for this, we maintain 50 by 50. You understand? It depends on your choice. You understand? Because it's not called out by giving us the certain the actual chord to be used. But on site, we use 100 by 100 for this one. But for all this one, we maintain 50 by 50. 1, 2, 3. But according to this design, it is 100 by 100. So, but on site, we use, uh, because it's my boss that designed it and we also fabricated it together. So we use 50 by 50 for this one. Okay, let us assume that we want to follow up with the design. You understand me now? So now, let me, okay, I stopped here for this 50 by 50, right? Click on N. So this one is 50 by 50 also. 50 by 50. So click on escape. So according to what we are seeing here, this is 100 by 100. So let me just click on this and pick it, stop it here, then continue. It depends on your choice, but when we fabricate it, we use 50 by 50 here. So 50, we use 50 by 50 here. But for here, for this side, we use 100. So yeah, we use 100 by 100 for this. Yes, it's 100 by 100 for this. Yeah. So let me check the legend. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm coming. Show legend. So total length for the 50 by 50 is 161.5. For 100 by 100 is 173.9 meter. So what else? We are done with the vertical, vertical, diagonal, top and bottom chord now. So we are left with gusset plates. Yeah, what next is gusset plate. How many numbers of gusset plate do you have? We have one, two. So you are making use of this same thing as the one A as A, as one that's going to position A. You understand? So okay. You can also make sure of this one separately as it is in design, on design. So now 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm coming. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This one is different. 17, right? 17. 17. So 17 times 2 at the top and bottom. That is 20, that is 34, right? You have 34 of this. You have 34 of this. Let's click on the gusset place is 34, right? The 34 is for one truss. You understand? So we have two numbers of type 1. That will be 34 times what? Times 2. How many sides do you have for the gusset plate? It's only one side. So that is the gusset plate 8 mm. Gusset plate 8 mm. Just make sure that the record mode is at point to point. Yeah, click on escape. So 3.4 square meter. So the next one is, how many of these one do you have? What I'm going to do now is that, okay, let me click on this. The one, how many numbers of this one do you have? You have 2. I will show you what you want to do now. 8 mm. Click on OK. Just trace it out. Trace it out and trace it out. Click on N to proceed. Yeah, click on N again. The reason why I do this one separately is because they are different from the one we did as 34 numbers. Click on N again. Yes, click on N again. Yeah. Yeah, click on escape. Let us take this one at 0.4 square meter. So yeah, I think we are done with Gusset plates now. For now. So what next? What next? Universal beam. We have two numbers of universal beam. Let us check the roof plan. We have only two numbers. So 1, 2. So what I'm going to do now is that just click on this. Let me check. Okay, just click on this and name it as 254 by 146 by 31 kg parameter universal beam. Just click on OK. You have two number, right? Okay, just pick it from here to here. Click on N again. You have two numbers, so you are going to do now. Just double select it. Yeah, two times. Two numbers, good. Total length is 6.5, right? For the two sides. And to determine the bolts that are going to use for this universal beam, we have for this the flange. Sorry, this is the flange side. Yeah, this is the flange side. This thin line means the web. This thing and this is the flange. So we need how many bolts now? 16 to 18 mm diameter for the O. Okay, for the bolt to be used, bolt and screw to be used, you have 16 to 18 mm. But what I'm going to do now is that when you're drilling it, you're going to make use of when you're drilling it, you give allowance like space for the bolt to enter. Maybe we add like 1 mm or 2 mm to it. Understand me? So for the bolt now, we have any numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me just count it. Use count. Just use 16 mm diameter bolts and nuts. How many number do you have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The other side, 16, right? Just take this one as the other side. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay. So you are making use of 32. Yeah, 32 both for the flange side. What I mean by the flange side is that this is just for the um truss type 3. It be attached to this universal beam here at the flange of the universal beam here. So you are using 30, how many numbers? 32. You are using 32 numbers of bolt and nut for this side. That is the 32 times 2, that will be 64 numbers of bolt and nut for this universal beam here. Yeah, what else? Okay. You know, this what is there is that at this point, let me show you this picture. At this point, yeah, there is not going to be an angle bar that will connect from here to that will link it up, but there will be an angle bar or flat bar here that will link from this point to this point. Another one will pick from the top from here to here. So it'll be welded to this, and it will be also welded to the universal beam. I'm coming. It will be attached to the universal beam here. That is what we are seeing here. There's nothing like bolts. It will be welded to heat to the web, to the web of the universal beam. So all these things you are seeing here is point of bolt, point of bolt, a point of bolt. So I think we are done with this one. We are done with this one with type 1. So let me check type. What I'm going to do on this type 2 is that I'm not going to stress myself, just go straight to the point to take off for the top and bottom chord. Yeah. So let me check the top and bottom chord. Where is the top and bottom chord? I'm coming. Okay, let me explain this thing. This thing that I see here is the point at which truss type, that is the point at which another trusses meets up with the truss type 3, truss type 2 here. So for example, let me show you guys. This is the truss type 2, right? So truss type 4 is connected with at this point, 1, 2. So you have 2 points, right? 1, 2. Okay, let me show you. Can you see we have 1, 2. This one is here. It's shown somewhere here. Yes. So I'm just going to measure for the top and bottom chord only, which is, I'm coming. Where is it now? Where is it now? Okay. Yes, you have 100 by 100. So let me just pick it up. No, 100. Still pick it up here. Sorry. Okay. Just input steel roof truss 2 by 100. Let me check this one. Maybe different. Okay, 100 by 100. Yes, by 8 mm. Yeah. So it's also back to back, right? It's back to back. 2 sides. How many numbers of truss? You have 4 numbers uh these trusses. 4 numbers. Let me show you. This is it. You have truss type 2, 4 numbers, and it's also back to back, as you can see. So it also pick from this end somewhere here. So the reason why you're having all these things here is that you have multiple, as in connection of I will show you on the picture, connection of trusses. So it's picked from here, continue, it's also continue, yeah, it's also terminates somewhere. Click on escape. According to this one now, it seems that this one is just okay. This is 100 by 100, 100 by 100, 1, 2, 3. The main one are 50 by 50. So let us continue. Click on the one we did, click on N and pick it from this gusset plate. Stop here. Hey, sorry, Control N and Control Z. Yes, stop here. Click on N. Also click from here. Stop on the gusset plate. Click on N. Start from here and also stop somewhere. Click on escape. So the way I did the gusset plate is also the way you're going to work on this one. I don't need to stress you guys. So let me click on, let me show you the legend. So total length for this one is 452.3. Yeah. So same thing applicable to this one. So I want to show you different connection that we are seeing here. If I don't know, maybe I have the picture that we are seeing here. Let me show you guys. I don't know, maybe I still have it. I think so. So this is what I'm seeing here. Different connection here at this point. Yeah, can you see it's different connection? So this is my boss. Yeah, yes, yes. Okay, this is trust type 2 that I did now, and this is still trust type 4 that is connected to the side. Yes, connected to the side here. Uh, yeah, yeah, yeah. This way has been connected. I think that is all for now. Okay, so we are done with the roof trusses. The way I did for this, that's what we to do for others. So now what else? Okay, good. I said I want to show you something, a calculator, how I achieve the roof, um, how I achieve the roof pitch for this. Okay, know that this is the riser 4.63 and this is the length 17.29. So I want to determine the slope. I mean the roof pitch, the angle, the degree of this roof. So let me show you this video. You have 4.63, you have 17.29, right? Have it in mind. So now just calm down and check. The riser is 4.63, right? 63 as the king post. Then the length is 17 point what 29. So as you can see now, this 17.9 you are seeing here will be the rafter length. So let me show you guys. At least you can check it online. This Omni calculator. Check it online. So what are you seeing here? You are seeing 17.9. It is correct. It peaks from air and also terminates air. That means this design is okay. So 17.9 according to this video calculator. So now the roof pitch is 14.99. That is what I need from this calculator. 14 point what? 14.99. Good. Because we want to measure for the roof covering. Yeah. For the roof covering and line. Yeah. For the roof covering now, just click on no. Click on this drop down, click on joist 2. You got 40.99 for this. Okay. So roof covering. So 14.99 for the roof page. 14.99. Yeah, for the roof page. Center to center. Wait, wait. Okay, anyhow. So this one is not roof. What I want to do now is not the roof covering. Sorry, it's not the roof covering. What I want to do now. What I want to do now is the um for line. I'm working on the pawn line right now. So I'm working on the pawn line. So um pawn line, pawn line, yeah, center to center 1 meter. But I will show you how I got the 1 meter. So alright, the reason I don't want to change this select parallel side is that any for example, if I draw it like this, the way I draw uh the pole line, that is the way the pole line will be parallel to it. So now, so pole line, click on okay. I will have dimension this offsets. I'm sorry, center to center. Click on escape, then click on it and click on joist. It's too small, don't worry. Just drag it here. So now, okay. So the pole line is already positioned at each point of the polyline on the design. The reason why I use 1 meter, let me just dimension this one. If I will do, let me just check it. This one is 1 point what? 1.1, so same thing. Let me check this one. Let me check this. Approximately 1 meter. So this is how to determine the pole line for the roof covering. So now the next thing is roof covering itself. Just click on roof area, then insert the roof pitch, that is 14.99. Click on OK. Just trace this one out. Just trace it out. Here, click on escape. So what do you get? Roof cover, roof area. That would be 575 square meter. This one, and you are going to observe something here, that this polyline is not added to this edge. So I'm going to do now that just click on it, click on N, and just trace this one out and attach it. Click on N again. First escape, click on escape. Okay, this one is there already. Okay, so the reason why I added this one to it is that the polyline is not added to this edge. So by clicking on it and press N, you're able to add the last one on it. So this is how I think, yeah, that is what I have for you guys for now on roof trusses, on steel roof trusses. So this is another members of it, which is truss type 3. This is another truss type 2. So if there's anything that you didn't understand on how I did the measurements or I take off for these roof trusses, please try to drop your message on message section box. You understand? So thanks for watching.